think I'm gonna win.
I think I am. 'Cause I think they vloggers like a rainbow because I like a rainbow.
Doesn't mean they like it.
They look gonna like mine, not yours. You know we're still sisters. We're just teaming up which one is better. Hey guys, welcome back to Bella's World. And Marla's not here. Marla!
Hi, Bella.
Hi.
Hi, guys.
And welcome back to Marla's World.
Hi, guys. Welcome back to Marla's World. If you're new here, welcome to Marla's World. Don't forget to subscribe.
Guys, and hit the like button.
Hit the like button. Okay. All right. And today I'm with me, my Princess Bella. You hyper. She's so excited for this video, guys. So basically what we're going to do,
Oh, what is
we're going to tie-dye some shirts that we bought at Target. Okay?
this for?
So guys, I was in this Facebook group, Amazon, and they had this on sale. So I decided to buy it because I'm like, okay, it's a fun thing to do with Bella. But we're just going to record it for you guys. We're going to tie-dye some shirt. I've never actually done this before, and I don't think she has either. Have you ever done this before?
No.
Okay, so it's our first time.
Yeah.
So,
First time. So
I have
excited.
2 blouses because I couldn't find the regular size t-shirts. So I got 2 of these, and I got Bella 2 shirts as well. So one is long sleeve and one is like a spaghetti strap. She can sleep in. So which one do you like more?
This one.
Why not this one?
I like both.
Okay, she likes both. Okay, guys. So we have bottles, and they have the color on them: lime, yellow, purple.
Blue.
Okay, and this one,
Red.
this one,
Pink.
and this one,
Yellow.
and this one. Pink
Yeah.
again.
Yeah, light.
Light.
Light pink. Light pink. Right?
Okay.
Okay. What do we need?
And then we have these. So we have 2 sets, but we're only going to use one because we only need to fill the bottle once today.
Yeah.
I think at least.
Yeah. That
And
is
what
a
else
lot.
came in the box? We also have rubber bands. Rubber bands, so we could do it like. Let me show you if I can find a picture. Oh.
Ow.
You're gonna see they tie them up so that way you could like do it like a sectional thing. Like you can have a little color here and there. So we're gonna pick a design from here, but first I need to get the bottle settled.
Yeah.
Fill it with water and stuff. So,
I'm gonna do it too.
are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited too. I'm so excited.
Give it thumbs up.
Exactly. Let's sing the song. I'm so excited. Ooh. The fabric has to be 100% cotton, and these are cotton.
These are cotton.
Mm-hmm.
They smell like nothing.
They smell like nothing.
Oh, you can cut mine. Whatever. Don't have to. Ah, don't cut me.
I'm not gonna cut you. Why would I cut my princess? Why would I do that? Why would I cut my princess?
Jafar, that's bananas.
I like to eat apples and bananas. What's that? Okay. So.
Oh,
Yeah.
my shirt almost dropped.
Okay, so we're gonna fill this. So this is orange. It's orange. Okay. We're just gonna cut them and put them in.
Ooh.
So now that we have all the bottles filled with the powder that came in the packets, we're gonna add water. So yeah.
Yeah, we're coming right back.
I'm gonna add water and show you, okay?
Okay.
And now that they all have water in them, we shake them up. Shake, shake. Shake, shake. Shake your sensa. Shake your sensa. Sensa.
Here, Marla.
Okay, I think they're all good right now.
Oh, I shaked it.
So they are all good. We have rubber bands.
Yeah, a lot of rubber band. Rubber band, rubber band, rubber band.
Wait, did you just make that up?
No.
Oh, okay. I thought you were trying to be like me, Bella. We making up songs around here all the time.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, we're gonna choose ones from this. Which one do you want to do? How do you want your shirt? Choose a cool design.
I don't know.
No, just choose one.
I want to choose the rainbow one.
Which one is that?
This one?
Okay, so Bella is gonna try this one for one of her shirts.
I want to do a rainbow one.
For this shirt?
Yeah.
Okay, I think this one is the rainbow one because it has a lot of colors. And I'm going to try this one.
Ooh.
I like the pattern out of it.
Oh, this will be amazing. I'm starting right now.
It gives you instruction on how to do it. So I'm gonna help you, Bella.
No, I want to do it myself. I don't want to do the stripes. I'm just gonna. No.
I have to help you. So the first thing you do
No.
for yours, no, I'm gonna let you do this one, but I need to help you do this part, okay?
No.
I'm gonna help you fold it.
it.
Okay, so it says fold it in 4 parts. Oh,
Yeah.
gotta take this off first. Obviously.
Why you have to keep being so nice?
Okay, so fold it in 4 parts.
How do I fold it in 4 parts?
You can do it like this. So you do 1. So that's 2 parts. And then this right here is 4 parts.
Yeah.
Apply the dye to the edges.
Okay. I'm right in the edge.
That's the color you want to use? You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now what?
And I'm gonna start mine. Apply it to the edges, like around here, like that.
No, I don't want to even listen to you because I'm just gonna put it. Okay. Here. I hope I don't lost this pop.
Okay, so mine is a little bit tricky. It says, oopsie.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay. Give me a piece of napkin.
No, it's okay. We can clean it after it's done.
Okay, video director.
Ugh.
Okay,
Oh.
mine says pull up the center. Which one am I using? I'm gonna use this round neck one rather.
Marla,
Mm,
can you give me a yellow one?
of course I can.
Oh.
Of course I can.
Okay. Thank you. All the colors.
So it says pull up from the center. So I do it like that. And then
I connected.
I bind it with rubber bands
Yeah, like I'm gonna
like this.
Ooh, now I'm gonna do green. I'm doing a lot of colors. Do I? I don't even want fall construction. I am. Ooh, let's see. He is pretty good at this one. I am. What would I like to do myself?
Okay.
Yeah.
And now I apply the color to it. I'm gonna do purple, pink, and
Okay, guys. Do you think mine is better or you think Marla's? Because mine's.
this is Bella's.
That's hers.
And this is mine.
You should like mine. Comment below. Do you like mine? Because if you like rainbow, you have to choose mine. If you like this thing, you have to choose this one.
I think I'm gonna win.
I think I am. Cause I think they vloggers like a rainbow because I like rainbow.
Doesn't mean they like it.
They were gonna like mine, not yours. You know, we're still sisters. We're just teaming up which one is better.
We're sisters, guys. We're sisters.
Oh! Yeah, but we're still sisters. We're not mean to each other now.
It's just a little competition. That's what she's saying. Okay.
Yeah.
A little bit of competition.
Yeah.
So guys, this is what mine looks like. My first shirt.
Yeah, but I'm not done with mine.
I think I'm gonna be done with that. Remember, you have a second one to do.
Oh yeah, you have second what to do.
Yeah, we both have one. Right?
Yeah, I'm not gonna use that much red. Seriously. Okay, no one think it's funny. Whatever. I just added some more yellow.
She said, no one think it's funny, but whatever. You're funny.
I'm very funny. I'm super funny. Oh.
We have to put this in a sealed plastic bag, which I'll do when I'm done with my second one. And I'll show you guys, we have to set it for like
Yeah.
12 hours. So
I'm going fast. I'm going fast.
we'll show you guys in the morning what it looks like. So, before. So this is Bella. This is one side. And then this is the other side.
Yeah. Do it looks pretty?
It will look.
Yeah.
This is going to be her second shirt.
Where's my second shirt?
This is yours.
Oh.
And this is going to be my second shirt. Okay.
Oh.
And so now we have to, once again, choose a design that we want.
Yeah.
And for you, what do you want? Which one? I think this is pretty cool. I like that one.
I want to do the rainbow again.
No, I think you should do another one.
How about I do my own shirt then? Whatever.
Wait, you're going to do your own design?
Yeah.
Hey,
You do your own design.
should I do the swirl? This is pretty cool. I'm not going to lie. For mine, the instruction says,
Why I keep using red? Ah.
that's pink, honey. It's pink. It just don't look like it, but it's going to be pink when you wash it.
Oh.
Okay. So it says, once again, did I show you guys what I'm doing? It's this swirl one right here. Swirl. So I am going to pinch fabric and twist into a spiral.
Okay, guys. This is jealous for me because it's my first time doing dye tie. Oh, I don't know how to say it. Whatever, guys. Whatever.
Just said whatever.
Oh, whatever is not a bad word.
Guys, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't
Look
know.
at the instructions.
It's not going the way I want it.
Because you're not listening to the instructions. Duh. Right from what I said. This one is
Well, this is
black.
my shirt. I don't know what this is. It's not gonna be perfect. It's not gonna be cute. But it's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright.
Ooh. Okay.
You have just use it like this.
Okay.
Like slight, not a lot, like that.
Okay. Okay.
Wait, I want to use purple. Okay.
You can use purple, whatever.
Look at your little self talking about whatever.
A vlogger like, wow, Belly, you're amazing. Yeah, I am. Team.
Exactly. You're all that and a bag of chips.
Oh.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll take it up after.
Okay, that's it.
I want to show her how to design, but she want to do her own design, so I'm just letting her do her design. Okay. So.
My design is better than hers.
Okay.
But her design is better than mine.
All that sass.
Yes. That's what she's trying to say.
What am I trying to say?
Sassiness. Do you think mine is fancy or hers? Comment below.
It's not a competition.
It is.
It is?
Yeah.
Why you want to compete against me so bad?
Okay, whatever.
She said whatever. She not here for no long conversation.
Guys, when I was not at home, we had a conversation about listening. Actually, right?
It was a good conversation.
Super good one.
She's learning about the word conversation, so she's using it. I'm proud of you.
Yeah. Conversation is not a bad word.
It's not a bad word at all.
It's a good word. But bad words I cannot say. Right?
No, you can't say it at all.
Only grown-ups.
Not even grown-ups should say bad words.
Oh.
But they say it. It's not good though.
Shoot is not a bad word. Right? Shoot is not a bad word. Shoot is a good word. Oh.
If you've been following along, you could tell by my previous videos that I'm not creative at all, but I'm trying.
She keeps trying and trying and trying.
You gotta get up and try.
She made up that song.
No, baby, it's a song. You gotta get up and try.
I know.
'Cause where there is desire, there's gonna be a
Flame.
flame.
She keeps doing that.
And where there is a flame, someone's gonna get burned.
Don't get burned.
But just because it burned don't mean you're gonna die. You gotta get up and try.
She's singing and singing and singing.
You gotta get up and try.
Okay, now she's gonna annoy my mind.
I'm annoying you? That's what you're saying? I'm annoying you, Bella?
You're annoying me because you're singing.
Wow.
But you're still my best friend. And you're cute and lovely.
Wow. Did y'all catch that shade? Guys, this is my second shirt.
Guys, it looks like a horse.
So we'll see how it comes out tomorrow. So guys, this is what we have. This is one of Bella's shirt.
Yeah.
And then this is the second one. Flip it like that. This is my shirt. This is one of them. And then this is the second one. I know it's not too cute right now, but we'll see what it looks like in 12 hours, whatever time we wake up. I'm gonna wash them. So now that we've done that, I actually put them in a bag and let it sit for 12 to 24 hours. Once that happens, then I wash it in cold water and cold water and laundry soap until the excess dye is removed. And then I have to wash it separately for a few washes. So I can't wash them together. I have to wash them separately. So that is it for right now. So I'll let you guys know how it turns out in a few hours. And yeah, what do you think?
You don't want me to use a little bit blue for this side.
Fine, here.
Thanks.
Just a little bit.
I'm putting a little bit. See?
Okay.
Okay, I won't have to squeeze it.
Okay.
That's perfect.
Okay, perfect. All right. So yeah, guys. So that's it. We will see you, and we gotta clean our hands too.
Yeah.
All right. See you soon. So this is one of the finished results. I did not know that it was gonna be this short. I think it shrunk in the dryer. So excuse my little skin. But anyways, so it didn't come out as good as I would like because I didn't use enough dye. I didn't know like I had to use that much, so forgive me, but okay. So yeah, and then now I want to show you Bella's first shirt. So come on, Princess Bella. This is her. You like your blouse?
Yeah.
Okay, she like her blouse. So we're gonna try the second one and let you see it too, okay? So guys, this is our second shirt. I think mine came out pretty well. I really like it. Yeah, I would actually rock this one anytime. What about you? Tell them about your shirt.
It looks ugly.
You think it looks ugly?
Because all this black stuff.
Oh, because the colors got mixed together?
Yeah.
Okay, we could do another one. I'll buy another shirt for you, and then we could do it another time together. I'll come to your house and just do it, okay? All right. So she doesn't really like the second one. Do you like the first one? She likes the first one more because it doesn't have all the colors mixed together. But I really like my shirt. But yeah. So guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like
And subscribe.
and comment and share with your friends and family. And on that note,
Give a thumbs up.
okay, this is the end, right?
Yeah.
Bye. Thank you guys for watching.